What's up, Madonnas? Big up on a nice, clean self. Denise and Kenny on Facebook. She also have a page called Run Out Pandem, and this is what the T-shirt is about. I like it. Yellow is one of my favorite color. I have so much different color right now, but see, I purchased this T-shirt from her. My tongue heavy, guys. Sometimes when I'm talking, I mix up my word because my tongue is so heavy. Um, I purchased this T-shirt Run Out Pandem from Denny's. I bought a couple of them. I don't remember how much I did. I think I like three. And my daughter take one, and I think I have two. Yeah. So I purchased these from her, and with this 2020, I decided that I really want to spend more time supporting our people, businesses, whatever I want to purchase. I'm gonna make sure looking into people like myself, support people like myself a lot. I mean, I like nice things. Don't get me wrong. And I'm not saying we don't sell nice things as our people, but you buy that Michael Kors pocketbook, and it just have that texture. I just love the quality of it, and I love I love quality handbag. I love quality shoes. I don't like to wear any shoes because my foot is not small, and I like to wear nice shoes on my foot. So I'll buy a top for maybe $20 or $10 or even $5 and wear it dressed up nice with a nice pair of shoes and a nice handbag. And my hair look nice. I don't mind if my outfit is for 20, my whole entire outfit is for $10 or $20. As long as I have on a nice shoes and a nice bag and my hair look nice to bring me up. That's how I like to wear my stuff. Anyways, I purchased this t-shirt from her, and you guys can go and follow her, Denise and Kenny for you with four, if which is the four number four for you, or run out on them. You can go ahead and support her. Tell her I sent you if you go over our page. If you're already a supporter of her. Anyways, so big up on a nice clean self again. And I hope say everything we wanna never achieve last year, this year wanna work real hard to achieve it. Really, really hard. Don't say you can't. Don't use these words. Um, me not think, me can't, me this, me that. You see how me sit down right here, so I talk to no, I was that person. And me not gonna tell them a lie, because we are human and we still, think certain things. But if you try, if you adjust your mind towards staying positive, then it won't be a problem. All right. So me I try to stay away from those words. We talk about that the other day. Those words where we don't want to deal with for 2024. Me I try my very best, use them so much. Because it just bring you backwards. Just sweep them to the corner. Sweep them over 2023, and we not carry them over 2024. But the love, respect, show each other love and respect. Gratitude is a must. We have to give Almighty thanks. Wake me up this morning. I get up this morning. I pray for you guys. I pray for my supporters, them on Facebook. I ask God to bless to cover to anoint to bless heart, to be kind, be genuine, be real, be loyal, be love to the people them that support you, love you, and care for you. But always remember that put God first, because He is the master of everything. I pray for you guys this morning. I pray for my family. I thank God to wake up this morning to see another day, to see another year. Was at church. I the same prayer, and I wake up this morning again, and I pray for my family. I pray for my friends. I pray for the people them that support me. I pray for the people them that loves me. I pray that God bless on the basket, on the store basket will never empty. And God cover under Him blood, wash and wash away sins, wash away everything that not of God you know. So, want to just take care on yourself, take good care on yourself, watch on nobody, take out, I mean, watch all the things that will happen to you. Wanna spend time to understand on yourself. Watch on nobody. Any little thing wanna feel like on nobody is just unusual. Wanna get it checked out. Don't wait. Um, get to understand what I go on. If you don't feel like so nobody change towards certain things. Me know so some of we are go up in a age. So all kind of things that happen. The other day I feel my joints them a hurt me. And I was like, am I not eating enough food? Um where because me can't really eat the dairy, like drink the milk to give me the calcium for my bones them. So I start to wonder now if I should I get some calcium pill and etc. When it's like at the flu me have or something, but still going to look into that. Last time I did blood work, everything was good. We did have a little bit of cholesterol, but because we don't eat too much boiled eggs. Me love boiled egg. I'm eat boiled egg almost every morning. Me that eat the boiled egg, but it's not bad cholesterol. But me tone it down now because me not eating a boiled egg for a while. So me know when me go back and do the blood work, it's not gonna be cholesterol or anything. So I bind up all sickness, um, bind them up, ask God for just cover you and give you good health on a daily life, good mindset to work towards achieving things, leaving a mark on this earth because we are here for a reason. And I always said that we just want to leave an impact on this earth. Doing these videos also this morning, it just it just brightened my day because I'm just thinking that my grandchildren is gonna come up and see these videos on YouTube, or Facebook. They can go back and watch them because they're not removing them. So at the end of the day, you learn and you grow and you're setting an example for your generation to come. And that's why we have to try our best to be respectful of each other because we don't want when the grandchildren grow up and say, oh my God, that's how my grandmother used to be. Oh my God, she was terrible. That's not of me. So I'm not gonna come out here and be that person. I'm never gonna be that person because that is not of me. And instead of me for to change for better, I don't want to go to change for worse. So I always want to grow and be better, a better human being. Um, because I have 4 children and I have to set the example for them. So for the ladies now that asked me to give you guys my headband, I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. So you guys could just do it yourself because it can share for so many people. So let's just show you. It's just a piece of cloth. And I wanted to show you guys. Oh, I should have done. I have a little tape measure in my. All right, so I'm gonna like measure the length of it a little bit and just show you guys. Let's see. Let's see how long this piece of cloth is. And guys, my head big. And I have a little head. Um, this is 67 inches long. 67 inches long. So I'm like a baby tape measure. I'm keeping on my complete in my desk drawer. All right, so this is what I do, right? Um, I'm gonna do it this way first, and then I put it at the back like this. Look good, and then like you can see, I exit like this. So I twist it to wrap my head, right? And then that's it. Bring it back around. It doesn't have to be this long. You could have it a little shorter than that. This is a little bit too long. Because if it's short, you could just tuck it in this side right here. But this one is long. Or you could just put it at the back and twist it and tuck it in. Yeah, just fix it the way you want to fix it and just neat up the side like this. And this is how you get like the ear the right. This is how you actually get the African look. So it's how you wrap it. And you can also open it up. You could also open it up and tie it. Like, yeah, tie your head itself and do the same thing when you tie your head. You know, just even it up and do the same thing. Like just twist it around like this, like you're braiding. Just wrap it around, wrap both sides. You know, just wrap them, carry it up like this. I mean, I'm gonna do this in a reel because at least it will be easier for you to see it. I'm gonna do it again, so yeah. And you can wrap it around like this if you want, or you can just do it the same way. Exit like this, and then just tuck it in. You know, I'm not doing it so neat right now, guys, but I'm just showing you. That's how I did it. When I'm standing in front of the mirror and I fix it the way I want it to be fixed. Okay, and that's it. That is just it. So I think I'm gonna do a little shorter version and then yeah, post it as a reel. But if you watch these videos, because a couple lady asked me for the headband, that is exactly how I did it to make it look like that. It's my sister. I saw with it, and she just showed me on. We were doing a FaceTime, and she showed me how to do it, and that's it. I start doing it since then. So now I get to show you guys. So you see, each one teach one. And not because somebody don't know doesn't mean we can't show them. Doesn't mean we can't teach them. Doesn't mean we can't tell them. Um, that's how we support each other. Enough love. Big up on yourself. Happy New Year's again. I'm wishing you all the best. Okay?